Hola bafethu, hello guys, nginibingelele nginamukele kuyona ke i-channel once again. Igama ungabadlamini also known by the name of DJ Chef The Soul. It's Chef The Soul TV News bafethu. Ngiyanamukela ke kuyona ke i-channel. If kodwa ke bafethu ungafisa ukucomment la kwi-section ngezansi, you can comment. Ungafisa ke ushare le video futhi please do share the video. Do like the video ke as well bafethu ke energy nje kakhulukazi. I'm here talking about ke lento engiyibona la Facebook yabo iyatrenda futhi kubukeka ngathi abantu abaningi bayajabulela especially nje laba abama supporters ayo ke iSundowns. If igame ifair yabo, we know ukuthi ke there was a ruling, there was an application of law ngokwebhola, zonke izinto nje yabo zisuke zihamba kahle ke ngokwebhola, but then mase kuzokwenzeka kanje, I don't think ukuthi kusayibhola. I think ke mhlawumbe sekuyinto ke ekhomba ukuthi ibe i-fight. This is no longer a game kahle yabo, so sekuulwisana ke direct nabaphathi beqembu na yonke ke indlela nje ungacabanga noma ke ungakhuluma ngayo, because this is no longer a game bafethu ke akusuke ngayona igame mase ke kungenela la umuntu ongaphandle yabo oyifan noma oyisupport ebe umuntu ophazamisa umdlali olapha egroundini yabo, ophazamisa umdlali ngayo yonke indlela ongayicabanga ukuze ke ethi mayiphazamiseka and then ke kube kwi-advantage yenye team lokho. Akuyona indlela engibona ukuthi ke kumele ngabe kwenziwa ngayo, and futhi leyo nto leyo ekugcineni kwakho konke izona izinto egcina zidala inxushunxushu lezi emalentuzini kuma stadium, because yabo nje lo mfolo, because i-camera ikwazile ukumdonsa yabo. I'm sure imdonse ngenxa ukuthi ke they were wondering ukuthi ke what exactly le elapha ya ehlweni lakhe ke goalkeeper. If this is true bafethu, I don't think it's acceptable. Abantu abayeke lento le, and futhi lo mfolo ukuze ke kuzoba khona ke ngathini ukuze abantu bezofunda isifundo ngokwenza izinto ke wrong directed to abadlali, ukuze abadlali mebe khona lapho egroundini ngaphakathi bephazamiseke for mhlawumbe in support, or if ever be against elinye iqembu yabo, bese kuba ukuthi laba abangaphandle bangenelela ngokuthi kube khona izinto abazenzayo ukuze kuphazamiseke lelo qembu, ebese ke laba abanye bayakora. Leyo nto leyo kumele kube nje i-offense because akukho lawful yabo, and futhi ke kube kupunishwe serious yabo, kungabi khona ifine yabo, kungabi khona ifine ukuthi kanjani umuntu akahlale ejele yabo, abe ne-record, criminal record yabo, ukuze lento le abantu bezoyiyeka kumele kube isifundo esi-serious and bembhene futhi at the same time ke for ama-game athe ukuba maningana khona kuma-games ahlukene ke angabi khona nje kuma-games agcine ngokwabuka laphaya la awabukela khona, because this is unacceptable of it. I don't know if ever kukhona abantu abake bayibona lento, but I'm sure bakhona abantu abake bayibona lento le in a form of ithombe on Facebook. If this is true, please do tell me ukuthi what do you think should happen to this guy owenze lesi senzo lesi. Well, iSundowns igcine ke iwina ngo-1-0 against iSikhukhune United. I don't know ukuthi ke after abaphathi bebone lento o referee noma coach yabo batheni yabo, iziphi inyathelo ezizothathelwa lo mlisa lo if ever ubonakala, noma njengoba ke sekubonakalile lokhu ke okubonakalile lapha ke kuma social media platforms. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to comment, ubeke nawe uvo lwakho njengoba ke ubuka le video. Don't forget to like this video as well. Ngibonge manje.